What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if camera not working or camera failed error on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. Now swipe down, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix the camera not working issue. But if you are still facing the camera failed error on your screen, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps, and then go to the search bar and search for camera. Now here in the camera app info, tap on storage and then clear the cache memory. So to clear this cache memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, it will fix the camera failed error. But if you are still facing the issue, then it might be a mobile software issue. So to check for mobile software updates, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version, and then it will automatically check for the available updates. So if you have any update available on your phone, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the camera failed error will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera not working or camera failed error. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.